These drawer liners are such a pain. They are always tearing and folding up and causing a real mess. I have some truck bed liner left over from a recent project. Let's see what it can do for this toolbox. All right, there's the finished product. I like the way it came out. It has a nice non-skid surface, and it's definitely not going to roll up like the other tool tray liners do. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'm going to finish putting away all these tools and wrap it up for the day. See you next time.